Hi, this is Omar from Drop Consultancies, and I'm going here to give a simple and quick guide of how to start our CRM application, especially for a novice beginning. CRM stands for Contact Relationship Management. Sometimes it's been called as Customer Relationship Management, but it's actually a Contact Relationship Management where contact represents the customers, companies, employees, suppliers, clients, etc. We have three types of the CRM application. We have the network CRM application, we have the single user application, and we have the CRM demo application. And we are going to use the CRM demo application here in this video. The CRM demo has been designed for training. You can generate random data in this application. Therefore, you can see how the system deal with different data. You can download the demo application and the single user application free from our website. It's worth noting here that we have two types of storage for our CRM system. We have the MS Access server and we have MySQL server. For small size companies, MS Access server is sufficient. For medium-sized companies, MySQL server is preferable. This is the demo application. It is in compressed format, and it is preferable not to decompress the file in the desktop, but rather in a folder inside one of the directories. And we already have decompressed the file here. We have two types of this application, 32-bit and 64-bit, and we are going to use the 64-bit. This is the 64-bit, and this is the CRM application main page. This is a demo application, as we said before, and we can generate random data. Click at Control A, and we name this button Control A because you can use your keyboard. Just type Control A. Control A, demo options, add random data. This added 20 records for each database, and you can add more. So let's go to contacts in the database, and you have in this database 43 records. Now this application is based on a color code, and this is the color code, and you can change the color code by clicking at themes, and we explained this in the CRM color themes video. However, in this theme, this is a button, and the button is an action box. If you click at a button, it either will lead you to a page or it will give you some options. This is also an action box. If you click at it, it either will lead you to a page or it will give you some options. This is a zoom box. If you click at it, it will give you a note. The white flat is read only, and the depth in box is read and write. So just quickly to see this in practice, this is the contact. As I said, we added random data, and when we say random, we are saying that it is just collection of letters and characters. It is just random data, just to see how the system deal with this data. Now, this is an action box. If you click at it, you will go to the record page. This is a zoom box. If you click at it, it will give you what inside this box. It is useful if the text was larger than the box, and therefore you can just see the whole text. This is read only, and these are read and write boxes. Now let's return back to the color code. We added a note here how to start the CRM application. If you click at it, you will have this note. and I'm going to explain this note quickly. For a novice beginning, you need to memorize only 3 things, and this will give you a good start to maneuver through the pages of this application. The first thing you need to memorize is to click at the View button here in this main page. This will give you the list of databases available. Select one, let's say Contacts. This is the list of records in this database. In this case, this is the contact database and this is the list of records. The second thing that you need to memorize is to click at the first action box. This is the first action box and this will lead you to the record page. So this is the list of records, and if you want to go to the record page, you need to click at the first action box. And this is the record page. So the second thing to remember is the first action box. The third thing that you need to memorize is to view the options of the page by clicking at the options button. So for this record page, there is an options button and it contains the options for this page. The same as for the list page. There is an options button that will give the options for this page. And that's it. This is the 3 things that you need to memorize. This view button, the first action box to view the record page, and the options button in the page to view the options for this page. And that's it. This is the 3 most important things to remember. And with these things, you are able to maneuver easily through the pages of this application. Of course, there are many features in this application, and there are notes to explain them. But for a novice beginning, the 3 things I have explained now will give you a very good start to maneuver through the pages of this application. The view, the first action box, and the options button. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for listening.